Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fit and fine at your homes. I am your computer teacher, Miss Madhuri from California Public School. So, class 4th, in the previous two videos, we have started our chapter, that is lesson number 1st, computer, a storage and memory devices. So, in that chapter, we have studied about data and information and about different storage devices and different types of memory, that is RAM and ROM and external memory. So in today's video we will start our last topic, that is storage devices, and today date is 3 June 2020. So let's begin. In our daily life we use many storage devices. In our daily life we use many storage devices such as cupboard, bookshelf, refrigerator, school bag, etc. to store various relevant items in them. A computer also uses various storage devices to store data in them which vary in storage capacity. For example, hard disk, pen drive, CD, etc. So these are permanent or non-volatile storage devices. As we know that in our daily life we use many storage devices like a cupboard, almirah and refrigerator. So same like that, computer also has some storage devices where computer will store our data. So first one device is hard disk, as it is the main storage medium for computers. So it is made up of a collection of disks known as platters. As you can see from here, in the hard disk there are collection of disks, that one is called platters. So it is fixed inside the CPU box and it can hold a large amount of data. So hard disk can store up to 8 TB of data, up to 8 TB of data. So nowadays external hard disks are also available, which are small in size and can be carried anywhere. So in the market there are external hard disks are also available which we can use. So the next one topic is CD. As you know very well about CD. CD is round in shape and it is also a storage device to store data or information. As what is the full form of CD? CD stands for compact disc. CD stands for compact disc. It is an optical storage device. A CD is a thin, shiny, circular disc that can store up to 700 MB of data only and measures 4.7 inches in diameter. So a CD can hold text, graphics, sound, images and videos. Anything, any information or data we can store in the CD, whether it is just any sound, whether it is any information, whether it is any audio, any song, any video. So it can be used for data backup and holding software. So in the CD we can hold any type of app or software. So the next one storage device is DVD. It is also used to store data and information, but there is difference of storage capacity only, as CD is capable to store data only 700 MB, but DVD is capable to store data up to 4.7 GB to 17 GB. So the full form of DVD is digital versatile disc or digital video disc. It is an optical storage device used for data storage and for recording movies with high video and sound quality. इसकी क्या है, जो sound quality और video quality वो क्या है, high है. So the storage capacity varies from 4.7 GB to 17 GB. So the next one storage device is Blu-ray disc. It is a new optical disc format that can store up to 120 GB of data. As DVD is capable to store data only 4.7 GB to 17 GB, but Blu-ray disc is capable to store data up to 120 GB. So this disc is mainly used for storing high quality sounds, images and movie data. So the name Blu-ray disc is derived from the blue violet laser that is used to read and write data on it. ये इसका नेम कहाँ से आया ब्लू रे डिस्क? फ्रॉम द ब्लू वॉयलेट लेजर से. So the next one type is flash drive. As flash drive is also known as pen drive and the most popular data backup device, and it is a plug and play device. Plug एकदम से इसको लगाओ और उतार भी सकते हैं, and play device and can be connected to the USB, that is universal serial bus port. So it is a small, lightweight and removable drive. स्मॉल है, लाइट वेट होती है एंड रिमूवेबल. इसको अटैच करो, अगर नहीं ज़रूरत साथ ही साथ हम रिमूव भी कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर कॉपिंग एंड मूविंग डेटा फ्रॉम वन कंप्यूटर टू अनदर कंप्यूटर. इफ़ वी वांट टू मूव डेटा then we can take the help of flash drive. So a flash drive can store up to 2 TB of data. So flash drive can store up to 2 TB of data. So the last one storage device is memory card. Last one storage device is memory card. A memory card is a storage medium for portable devices like mobiles, digital cameras and music players, and it can be easily removed for access by a computer, and these devices transfer images and music files into a computer by using memory card reader that can be connected to a computer through a USB cable. And nowadays most of the laptops come with inbuilt card reader port. As we know that memory cards are used in our mobile phones mainly, but if we want to transfer the data from the mobile to the computer, then we can take the help of card reader. As in the card reader we will place memory card, and that card reader will help the memory card to transfer the data from one device to the another device. So nowadays laptops already built card reader port is available. Port means hole is available where we can attach memory card reader. So the example of multimedia card is, a multimedia card is small in size, as we know very well. That's why it is used in our mobile phone. As you can see from the picture, it is very small in size and approximately the size of a postage stamp. So multimedia cards are available in various storage capacities ranging up to 512 GB. As nowadays in the market up to 512 GB multimedia cards are available. So now your lesson number first, a computer storage and memory device, is completed. Now it's your turn, students. You have to read the chapter carefully. So take care, students. Have a good day.